Let's sketch to image with Galaxy AI. First of all, go to your phone settings and we have to enable Galaxy AI. So all you have to need, sign into your Samsung account and then tap on Galaxy AI. In this list, you have to tap on Photo Assist and enable Photo Assist Samsung Galaxy AI. Now go back to your gallery and open the photo where you want to sketch something. Now just tap on this icon here and here select sketch to image and now draw anything you want to generate in the image. So here I'm going to draw a flower just like so, a little flower, and then I'm just tapping on generate and it may take some moments to generate a subject with Galaxy AI. Here you can see this subject generated with my sketch. If you want to generate more result with your sketch, just swipe to the left side and tap on generate one more. And this time you can see this subject generated. Now if you want to save any of the copy, just tap on save copy. And now here we can see the final result. So let's open a different image, for example this image, and let's edit this image, selecting sketch to image, and now let's draw a flower here. And now let's see this sketch result. Here you can see a beautiful image successfully generated. Now I'm tapping on save, and that's how you can actually do it.